This video turns the gamy Spruce Grouse into mouth-watering bites of bliss. I embrace strong flavors with stronger ones. Bold tastes meet their match in fierce aromas. Stolen with pride from Indian cuisine, I give you my Bahari grouse tikka. I cut the breast into good-sized chunks. For the skewers, I need them thick, so they don't dry out completely when grilled. I had a hunch this would also be a good recipe for ducks. Luckily, I had some to try. The first marinade is done with ginger, garlic, Thai pepper with the seeds removed, and the juice of a half lemon. And let's not forget some salt. Turn it into a puree and mix it with your meat chunks. Let it rest for 15 minutes, but no more than that. While the grouse is marinating, take equal parts fresh coriander and fresh mint and chop them as thinly as possible. Don't be afraid to turn them into a puree. Try to aim for half a cup. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of oregano, and here I'll let you in one of my culinary secrets: cardamom. I don't use the powder version. Instead, I'll break the pod open and retrieve the seeds and use them whole. They are like booby trap of flavors, and when you least expect it, an explosion of fragrances. And of course, salt to taste. Then add some hung curds, aka Greek yogurt, a dash of vegetable oils, and mix well for a homogeneous consistency. Now is the time to start the charcoal. 15 minutes later, time to drain the meat and get rid of as much liquid as possible. The drier it is, the easier it will be for the coating to stick. Add the yogurt mixture to the meat, ensuring all the pieces are well coated, and let them rest for another 15 to 20 minutes. We're almost done. Prepare the skewers and send them to the grill. You want your cooking to be in the range of medium to medium rare. If overcooked, the meat will dry and become tougher and gamier. The result is tender, juicy chunks of ecstasy. The herbs, spices, and charcoal aromas complement really well the spruce grouse. The duck also surprisingly good. It's a safe bet that it would be also a home run with ptarmigan. About the cardamom trick, it's imperative to do it sparingly. You do not want a seed of cardamom at every bite. Hope you enjoyed this one, folks. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you, folks.